The BlueFox X1 is a must-have. After seeing so many large-screen phones these days, the first impression of this 4-inch phone is its compact size and ease of use. Plus, there's a link in the comments section to get this small phone for just yuan. It's part of the official summer promotion to boost sales, so those interested can check it out. Let's talk about the feel and appearance. It weighs only 106 grams, about half the weight of a regular phone, making it very easy to carry around. The back is made of AG frosted glass, which feels smooth and doesn't attract fingerprints. The front is a 4-inch LCD punch-hole screen, more than enough for everyday text reading and news browsing. The 500 nits brightness is fine for outdoor viewing. The top of the screen features a unique design similar to a dynamic island, integrating the front camera and sensors. Here's the best part. There's a great opportunity to snag one. The official summer promotion is releasing a batch of brand new BlueFox NX1 stock to boost sales, offering discounts on the original price of 699 yuan. Now, there's a direct yuan flash sale, and all products are brand new, genuine, and officially backed by after-sales service. Buy with confidence, a 10-fold refund for fakes. The promotion has just started, so not many people know about it yet. If you're interested, check out the pinned link in my comments section. I've secured 3,000 exclusive flash sale slots for my followers. The link is still available, so hurry and check it out. For everyday use, performance and battery life are definitely the most important factors. It's equipped with a MediaTek Black 6 G81 processor, making WeChat, short videos, and ebook reading very smooth. Even occasional gaming runs stably, meeting daily usage needs. The system is particularly simple, with no unnecessary pre-installed software, giving it a clean and refreshing look. Battery life is also a pleasant surprise. Such a small body has a 3,000 mAh battery. With moderate daily use, a single charge is sufficient for a day. A 10W wired charge takes about a little over an hour, which isn't fast, but enough for a full charge before bed. The rear camera is a 21MP main sensor, sufficient for everyday scanning and recording.